So welcome guys. In this question, the question is all repeating except one. So according to question, you have given an array, and in the array some numbers are occur in it twice, but a single number is occur once. Okay, so we have to find the unique number which is not occurs two times. Okay, so how we can find the number? So this is our question, and what is our approach? What is your constraints? The constraints is like you have to find this number in ON time. Okay, and you don't require to take a extra space. Okay, so how you can find that? So simple, I'm saying simple thing that you can use bit manipulation theory. Okay, so according to question, what type of things you have to give in? So this is your array. I'm sorry, I'm just taking this. Okay, so this is your array. If this is your array, and here the main digits are given like 2 2 3 3, and the digits are two times, like 2 is two times, 3 is two times, 4 is two times, but a number is not a two times, so we have to find this single number. Okay, so what is your approach? I think, and you have to achieve this in one time, and you don't need to take extra space. Okay, so how you can solve that? So you can use a bit manipulation theory. So what is bit manipulation theory? According to bit manipulation, you can take a XOR operator here. The symbol of XOR operator is this. Okay, so what is XOR operator according to you? So XOR operator is something like this. Like if we take a different XOR with digits, like if take a XOR with different digits, then it gives the answer is like 1. Okay, if we take a different XOR with digits, it gives answer 1. Okay, it gives answer 1. But when we take a XOR with same number, now it gives 0. Okay, so this is your formula, that if we have XOR operator, then we can find the main unique number of this. You can try how we can find that. You have to just go and try how we can find the answer according to XOR operator. Then you come for solution. Okay, so what is our approach for this question? So our approach is based on XOR operator, and you know the XOR operator is behave like when we take a XOR of different number, then it gives a 1, and when we take a XOR of same number, then it gives a 0. Okay, so this is your theory, that when we are taking this approach, so how we can solve this question. Okay, so in decimal, if we talk about decimal, like if we take like 10, if we take like 10, take 11, any number. If we take XOR with same any number, then it gives a 10 again. If we take XOR with any number, then it gives a same number. Okay, so this will give a same number. So this is your XOR operator. Okay, and when we take same number with XOR, then it gives also 0. If we take two decimal number and we take XOR of two decimal number to same decimal number, then it gives 0, because if we take binary of these numbers, then like if we take a binary of these numbers, like, and we take a binary of 76, which is 1001 100. Okay, so if we take binary of this number, then what? If we take binary of this number with same, like if we take 76 XOR 76, then it gives 0, because if we provide the same number, then the XOR of same number will 0. And if we take a binary of this, then also we get same number. Okay, why? Because it gives 0, because when we take 0 0, then it will give 0. When we take 1 1, then it gives 0, and this is your 0. Okay, so when we take a same number of XOR, then it gives a 0 answer. Okay, so how we can use this property to find out unique number? So we are going to see this, how we can find this. So what we have to do, we have to take, and also we have some extra properties, like in XOR, like if we take a if we take A XOR B XOR C, then it is equal to C XOR B XOR A. Why? Because this follows cumulative property. What is cumulative property? If we take a 2 plus 3 plus 4, then it is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2. Wow. So if we change the order, then the answer is same. If we change order, then the answer is same. Like 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2. So order is same when we change the position. So this is your cumulative property. So XOR follows the cumulative property, and also it follows this property also when we reverse the position. Like when we reverse the position, then also it gives the same answer. So this is our XOR working of XOR operator. So how we can use these approaches to find out the unique number. So our approach is like we take a XOR with same two numbers, and then we take XOR with 3, then we take XOR with 3, then T4, then 4, then till here we get 0. And when we take a 0 XOR 7, then what we get 7, because when we take 0 XOR with any number, then it gives a 0. Okay, so when we take 0 with XOR any number, then it gives a 0. Sorry, it gives the same number. Sorry, I'm wrong. it gives the same number. It gives the same number 7. Okay. When we take XOR with 0, then it gives the same number. Why? Because when we take XOR, then like if we take XOR of any number, then it gives us 7 number, because this will not, because this is a different number now. The second thing is different number, and then the other thing is when we take XOR with 0, then it gives the same. Okay, same number. So we can use this approach to find out our unique number. But we are also using a commutative property. Like if we have an array, if we have array of this type, then what is used? Like 2 3 2 3 4 5 4. Okay, so not in this type. Okay, not in this type. So we know that A XOR B XOR C equal to A XOR C XOR B. So same here. If number is not in order, then also the answer is equal. If number is not ordered, then also answer is equal, because 2 is presented in 2 times, so it will produce a 0, and 3 is produced 2 times, it produces 0. So every time we get a 0, but at the end we get 0 XOR 5, and which gives the 5. So same thing here. Elder than we get 0 and 0 XOR 5 equal to 5. So this is just simple. This is equal. Okay. So this is the same thing. So what we have to do? We have to just go and solve the question. Okay. So how we can solve the question? So the question is very basic. So code is very basic. So we are going to code this problem. So what we have to do? We have to just take an answer equal to 0. And then we have to put a for loop, and then we have to take an int I equal to 0. And then we have to go till n. And I take I plus plus. So it will traverse the array, and then we have to just XOR with every digit. We are taking XOR with every digit of array. Then after that, after XOR with every digit, the last digit will be our answer. Okay. So how we can take this? We have to just take XOR with all array element, and then we have to just print this array. Okay. C out A answer. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so we are just print it. So accepted and then submit it. So this is submitted. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.